Happy long weekends, Australia Day, and Aussie, Aussie, oi, 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 Aussie, Aussie, oi, oi, oi. I am so happy and so proud that this is my second home. Actually, like really my first home. Together with my sweetheart. Thank you, baby ko. And thank you, Lord Jesus Christ and Father in heaven for this wonderful opportunity. And to all people in Australia, really owe you guys. And God bless us all. Over and out, guys, and happy that I'm live today. See ya very soon. Bye. Can't get too close the camera. Cheers. Gonna go. So before I say out, I'm gonna get this out. Really like really quick food, I guess. Junk food. Cheers, guys. Let's eat. It's a chicken brisket. Something chicken. Mm. 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 Kind of hard. Mm. Become mukbang. Mm. Very hard. I mean, like the overcook it. Mm. That's when we got the chicken balls with the cream inside, I think. Mm. Very fattening. Means you only order it sometimes. Let's eat. I'm gonna try the, this is one each. Scallops, very deep fried food. Guys, you in it with only this one is a